Best secure email providers. Most free email account services are tremendous for normal use. However, if you wish to be additionally assured that the messages you ship and obtain are protected, take a look at the email companies beneath. These companies hold emails non-public, safe, and encrypted. An encrypted email account protects your privateness. In order for you extra anonymity, use your safe account behind a free, nameless net proxy server or a digital personal community, VPN, service. Protonmail. What we like. Two-factor authentication. Ship password-protected messages to anybody. Import CSV contact lists. What we do not like. Cannot change the default signature on free accounts. Restricted search talents. Protonmail is a free, open-source, encrypted email supplier primarily based in Switzerland. It really works from any laptop by means of the Protonmail website and likewise by means of Android and iOS cellular apps. A very powerful function when speaking about any encrypted email service is whether or not different folks can enter your messages, and the reply is a stable no in terms of Protonmail, because it options end-to-end encryption. No one can decrypt Protonmail messages without your distinctive password, not even workers at Protonmail, their ISP, your ISP, or the federal government. Protonmail is so safe that it may get better your emails when you overlook your password. The decryption occurs whenever you log in, which implies the service does not have a method of decrypting emails without your password or restoration account on file. Protonmail additionally does not hold your IP address info. With a no-log email service like Protonmail, emails cannot be traced again to you. The free model of Protonmail helps 500 megabytes of email storage and limits utilization to 150 messages per day. Buy the Plus or Visionary service for extra email storage, email aliases, precedence help, labels, customized filtering choices, the flexibility to auto-reply, built-in VPN safety, and the flexibility to ship extra emails every day. A skilled plan can be obtainable for organizations. What we like. Helps IMAP. Would not hold IP deal with logs. Consists of SafeBox, a built-in password supervisor. What we do not like. Cannot ship encrypted emails to non-users. Restricted cupboard space. 1 week free trial interval. In case you're significantly involved with email privateness, Countermail provides a safe implementation of OpenPGP encrypted email in a browser. Solely encrypted emails are saved on Countermail servers. Moreover, the servers, that are primarily based in Sweden, do not retailer emails on exhausting disks. All knowledge is saved on CD-ROMs solely. This technique helps stop knowledge leaks, and the second somebody tries to tamper with the server immediately, the info is probably going misplaced. With Countermail, you can even arrange a USB drive to additional encrypt email. The decryption keys saved on the system and it, too, is required to log into your account. This manner, decryption is inconceivable even when a hacker steals your password. The added bodily safety of the USB system makes Countermail much less easy and handy to make use of than different safe email companies. However, you do get IMAP and SMTP entry, which you should use with any OpenPGP-enabled email program, similar to K9Mail for Android. After the 1 week free trial, buy a plan to maintain utilizing the service. The trial consists of 100 megabytes of area. What we like. Helps IMAP and POP. Non-obligatory two-step verification. Import context from a CSV file. Spam filter and autoresponder. Consists of 10 gigabytes of storage. What we do not like. No free trial. Solely obtainable on iOS. Hushmail is an encrypted email service that has been around since 1999. It retains emails safe and locked behind state-of-the-art encryption strategies. Not even Hushmail can learn your messages, solely somebody together with your password can achieve this. With this service, you may ship encrypted messages to customers of Hushmail in addition to non-users who've accounts with Gmail, Outlook Mail, or different related email shoppers. The online model of Hushmail is straightforward to make use of and gives a contemporary interface to ship and obtain encrypted messages from any laptop. When creating a brand new Hushmail account, select from a wide range of domains to make use of in your deal with, similar to @hushmail.com, @hushmail.me, @hush.com, @hush.i, and @mac.hush.com. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.